Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes in Nepal. Today we are making Virgin Mojito. Ingredients needed for Virgin Mojito are Sprite, lemon, fresh mint leaves and ice cubes. First of all, add fresh mint leaves into the glass and crush it. Now add lemon into the glass and squeeze the lemons. Then add ice cubes. Now slowly pour the Sprite into the glass. You can decorate the glass with slice of lemon. Finally, stir it with a straw and your Virgin Mojito is ready. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.